Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off app notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, security settings, and accessibility features. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type App Notifications and wait for the results to appear. This will show the relevant options for managing notification settings for different apps. Step 4. After performing the search, find App Notifications and tap on it. Once inside, tap on it again to open the full list of installed applications on your device. Step 5. For the last and most important step, choose any app you want to disable notifications for. Tap on it, then toggle the notification switch off to stop receiving alerts from that app permanently. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.